Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to bake this delicious oatmeal for breakfast. You'll absolutely love it. Guys, let's get started. Here I have some rolled oats. Over here I have some milk. I have some well-ripe bananas, some coconut oil. I have some vanilla. I have eggs, salt and baking powder. I have some peanut butter and some cocoa powder. So to my food processor, I'm just going to go ahead and add my oatmeal, and I'm just going to grind this into oat flour. Of course, you could go ahead and just use your oat just as is, or if you have oat flour, you could go ahead and use that. So I'm just going to grind this until it's nice and fine. Next, I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and set this aside and move on with the next step. So to my food processor, I'm just going to go ahead and add my bananas. For this recipe, you want to make sure that the bananas are well ripe. The riper the bananas, the better it is, and the sweeter your treat will be. Now I'm going to go in with my eggs. And because I'm not using sugar, the banana has to be super sweet. So this, I'm going to add some peanut butter. You could add peanut butter, or you could leave it out, or you could add some almond butter, whatever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and add my milk, and of course you could use whatever milk of choice. I'll be using coconut oil here, and of course you could use whatever oil of choice, and I did went in and add some vanilla. Now I'm just going to go ahead and process this until it's nice and smooth. Now that it's done, I'm just going to go ahead, combine my baking powder and my salt to my oat flour and my cocoa powder, and give this a good whisk to combine. And of course, I will leave a written measurement down in the description box or down below, so you could go ahead and check it out, and feel free to add or take away what you don't want. This is totally optional, all the ingredients that I'm using, so you could add your favorite or just take out anything you don't like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this back to my processor. So as I'm using one container here, we don't need to use a lot of container, and I'm going to add this in and process again until everything is fully combined. And this is the perfect breakfast snack, whatever time of the day you want to have it. It's totally healthy and filling. So here I'm just going to go ahead and spray this pan down. Of course you could use whatever pan you like, and I'm going to add my batter to this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with some walnut. Of course you could feel free to use any nuts of choice. I'll be using some walnut here, and I'm going to bake this in a 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour, because this is not flour and this is oatmeal. It takes a longer time to bake, so I'm just going to bake this at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. After 45 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's nice and warm, and it smells amazing. And I'm just going to go ahead, transfer this to my plate, drizzle on some chocolate syrup, or you could use chocolate sauce, whatever you like to add to it, just for that hint of sweetness. And that's it. Your perfect baked breakfast is ready. You'll never eat your oatmeal the same way again after trying this recipe. And remember guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment down below, and don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, and bye bye.